Welcome to the Morningside School of Music YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about guitar chord boxes. On the screen in front of you, you will see a box with 6 lines going down the way and 6 lines going across the way. If you look here, we can see the magnifying glass showing the area of the guitar that we're currently looking at. Going down the way, we can see the names of the strings. We have E, A, D, G, B and E. On the left hand side of this box we have the thickest string going down the way, and on the right hand side we have the thinnest string going down the way. On the left hand side of the chord box you will see the numbers to represent the frets of the guitar. Reading a chord box is very similar to reading the coordinates of a map. Notice that there is a blue circle on the A string, 2nd fret. This is to show us where we put our fingers. Note there is a picture of a left hand, palm facing towards us, and the finger numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. We don't use our thumb at this stage when playing the guitar. We're going to place finger number 1 on the A string, 2nd fret, and to build the chord we're now going to place our 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. Now we use our right hand to strum across all the strings. This is known as an E minor chord, sometimes abbreviated as EM. Let's try working out a new chord on the guitar. On the right hand side you can see 3 circles representing where our fingers go, and at the bottom we can see XX0232. X's mean that when it comes to strumming you do not hit those strings. 0 represents an open string, that is a string that you hit but you're not holding anything down, and the numbers are telling you what fret you're holding down on that string. So in this case we would strum the last 4 strings, 0 open, 2, 3 and 2, the 2nd fret, 3rd fret and 2nd fret. This is a D major chord, more often known as D. Next we will try a bar chord. A bar chord is when you hold down multiple notes on the guitar using one finger. Here we have an F major chord. You can see at the top that finger number 1 has to lie across all 6 strings, and then we have finger 2 on G, finger 3 on A and finger 4 on D. To begin with, bar chords can be a little bit tricky, but with a bit of practice you'll have it in no time.